Good morning, Bulldog students and families. Today is Monday, May 10th. Please stand for the flag salute.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
This is the last week to submit entries for our Bulldogs Got Talent show. Send us a video of your special talent and you can be featured in our talent show that will be shown online during the last week of school. All videos must be less than 2 minutes long and appropriate to show. Send us your video by completing the form found on our Students Apps page. All videos must be submitted by this Friday, May 14th. We will select the top videos from each grade to share with the school. All students and staff are eligible to enter the talent show. If you need assistance recording and uploading your video, be sure to check out the instruction video on the Students Apps page. We can't wait to see all of our talented Bulldogs. This Tuesday is the last day for all students to take their STAR Reading and STAR Math test. A student report will be sent out next week to all parents, so students remember to try your best and complete all tests on time. And now for our weekly news segment, Palla Shoutouts. Remember, each week, teachers will be sending a special shout out to students that are showing their paws for a specific expectation. Last week, each grade level selected their own specific expectation. Here are the students from each class that earned an award.
Our Bulldog Shoutouts. The focus, grade level choice. Shoutouts for TK for showing improvement. Good job, TK students. Kindergarten shoutouts, classwork completion. First grade shoutouts for most improved, showing their paws. Awesome job. Second grade shoutouts for most improved. Third grade for staying positive and motivated. Fourth grade shoutouts, positive attitude. Way to go. And finally, our fifth grade shoutouts for positive attitude. Great job to all of our students.
This week, our Bulldog Shoutouts will be outstanding growth on either the STAR Math or STAR Reading test, or for our younger students, growth on their ESGI test. You can pick up your special shoutout prize in the front office between 7:30 to 4 o'clock any day of the week. We will find out when we return who our outstanding students are. Stay tuned. On Wednesday, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade students will be able to participate in a special virtual science assembly. 2nd and 3rd grade students need to log in at 12 o'clock. 4th and 5th grade students need to log in at 1 o'clock. Be sure to get the Zoom link from your teacher or on your Google Classrooms. This Wednesday is also National School Nurse Day. Our school nurse here at Palla is Mrs. Gina Valdez. She does a great job working with students and making sure everyone is healthy. Thank you, Ms. Valdez. Attention all 5th grade students that will be attending all of your middle school next year. On Thursday, between 5:30 to 6:30, all of you will be hosting a special 6th grade orientation for all students that will be attending OMS. You can see your teachers, drive through their campus, and receive a free all of your swag bag with school information. Also, if you're interested in participating in band, please complete the form that was sent out on Parent Square. We will also put the link on our Students Apps page. Finally, please be sure to take a look at our Palla website for some great learning resources. Click subscribe below and follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Parent Square. Bye for now, and remember, stay safe and have a Palla positive day.